Hello students, welcome to the channel Learning Support. In this video, we are going to do a very important topic, that is homologous series. It is important for all the students who are going to appear for standard 10 board exams. So we will do it very thoroughly. Let's see what the homologous series is. A group of organic compounds having same functional group can be represented by same general formula, have similar chemical properties, and successive members differ by CH2 unit. Or it can also be defined as the series of compounds formed by joining same functional group in place of a particular hydrogen atom in the chain having sequentially increasing length is called homologous series. 7 series covered in this video are alkanes with single carbon bond as the functional group, alkenes with double bond between carbon atoms as the functional group, alkynes with triple bond between carbon atoms as the functional group, alcohols with OH group as the functional group, aldehydes having CHO as a functional group, ketones with CO as the functional group, and lastly carboxylic acids with COOH as the functional group. Our first series is that of alkanes with general formula CnH2n plus 2. If we substitute n is equals to 1, 2, 3, we get successive members of the alkane series. So if we substitute n is equals to 1, we have first member of the series methane CH4. n is equals to 2 will give us second member ethane C2H6. n is equals to 3 gives us third member of the series propane C3H8. Butane is the fourth member of the series C4H10 with n is equals to 4. If you observe carefully, you will notice ethane has one carbon more and two hydrogen more than methane. Similarly, there is a difference of CH2 between ethane and propane. So we can say successive members differ by CH2. Since the molecular weight of CH2 is 14 units, molecular weight of successive members is also differs by 14 units. Let us now have a look at characteristics of homologous series. All the members of the series will have same functional group, which causes them to have similar properties, that is chemical properties. They have same general formula. Successive members differ by CH2 and this causes difference in molecular weight by 14 units, that is successive members differ by 14 units molecular weight. Say they have same chemical properties and there is a gradual change in physical properties like melting point, boiling point, density, etc. Our next homologous series is that of alkenes with general formula CnH2n. If we substitute n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 in this formula, we get successive members. With n is equals to 1, member is not possible since there is a double bond between two carbon atoms. So n is equals to 1 compound is not possible. So first member of the series will be with n is equals to 2. We have first member ethene C2H4. Next member with n is equals to 3, that is propane, and the formula is C3H6. n is equals to 4 will give us butane C4H8. n is equals to 5 will give us pentene C5H10. Our next homologous series is that of alkynes with general formula CnH2n-2. Since alkynes have triple bond between carbon atoms, so first member will be with n is equals to 2. Since with one carbon atom triple bond cannot be formed. So first member is ethyne with n is equals to 2, that is C2H2. Propyne with n is equals to 3, C3H4, butane C4H6, pentane C5H8. So first four members of alkyne series are ethine, propyne, butane and pentane. Our next homologous series is that of alcohols with general formula ROH. Members of this series can be formed if we replace hydrogen atom of alkane by functional group OH. So if we replace hydrogen of methane with OH, we have first member of the series methanol CH3OH. If we replace one hydrogen of ethane with OH, we have second member of the series ethanol. If we replace hydrogen of propane with OH, we have propanol. One hydrogen of butane replaced with OH gives us butanol. Our next series is that of aldehydes with functional group CHO. And the general formula is RCHO, where R can be alkyl group or it can be hydrogen atom. Adding hydrogen atom or alkyl groups like CH3, C2H5, C3H7 to the functional group CHO gives us different members of aldehyde series. So first member methanol HCHO, ethanol CH3CHO, propanol C2H5CHO, butanol C3H5CHO. So the first four members of aldehyde series are methanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol. Our next series is that of ketones with functional group CO, and the general formula is RCO R'. Here R represents alkyl group. They can be same alkyl groups or different alkyl groups, and the series of compounds formed by adding alkyl groups like CH3, C2H5, C3H7 etc. on either side of the functional group, which is CO, we get different members of the series. So first member here will be propanone with methyl group on either side of CO, butanone with ethyl and methyl group on either side of CO functional group, pentanone with ethyl group on either side of functional group CO, hexanone with propyl and ethyl group on either side of functional group CO. You will notice functional group CO is between two or more carbon atoms. So minimum number of carbon atoms required in ketone series will be 3. If we place hydrogen on one side, then it will become a aldehyde. Our next series is that of carboxylic acids with functional group COOH. General formula is RCOOH. Members of this series can be formed by adding hydrogen atom or alkyl group like CH3, C2H5, C3H7 etc. to the functional group COOH. So first member of the series methanoic acid is HCOOH, ethanoic acid CH3COOH, propanoic acid C2H5COOH, butanoic acid C3H7COOH. So first four members of the series are methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid and butanoic acid. So that's it. Our 7 series are over. Now we will have look at questions related to homologous series which generally come in the exams. It can come as define or explain homologous series, or give characteristics of homologous series, or it can come as write two members of homologues of alkanes, alkenes, alkyne, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones or carboxylic acid. Well students, there's a bit of surprise for you all at the end of this video. I'm giving you a little test. Identify to which homologous series the following compounds belong. Looks a bit difficult, isn't it? So I'm giving you some hints also. Go through these hints and write the answers in comment section. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you.